So what we're going to do today is going to build a compost heap out of 3 old pallets down the bottom of the garden. It's just a quick and easy method of doing it. Keeps everything in one place, and let's see how it works.
26 letters in the alphabet, but no one really cares about the ones like Q and Z. You mix them all together in a soup of creativity and add some salt and grab a spoon to taste. No matter if you improvised or stuck close to the recipe, the soup is yours, no one can take your pot away. Oh, everything is borrowed, nothing's really new. Everything's assembled from duct tape and glue. We're all a patchwork piece of art, greater as a whole than the sum of our parts. Some chords sound nice together, that is why we choose them. And some chords sound really bad, so we don't really use them. If we had to pay the royalties for every G and C and D, there'd be a caveman with a Lambo for every day of every week. No one owns the words we speak, we built them all together. We took the little